Have you ever felt frustrated when your LED light suddenly goes out and you have no idea what to do? Do you think the only solution is to buy a new one? Hold on before you throw it away. There's a secret that not many people know about. A secret that involves something you might find in your pocket right now. Yes, cigarette foil. Who would have thought this little piece could be the savior of your LED light? But how? And why can cigarette foil fix a broken light? Is this just a simple trick or is there science behind it? Stay with us because you won't want to miss these crucial steps.
Look, this light is dim and can't turn on properly.
The first step is to carefully open the light cover. This is the beginning of our little journey to saving the broken light. We're going to make a simple light tester. With just a few wires, we'll check what's really going on inside this light.
Prioritize workplace safety, as this carries a high risk of electric shock.
Carefully inspect each part of the light. There are small points that might show where the problem lies. Once we've found the broken part, we'll remove it. This is important before we move on to our secret trick. Now it's time. This cigarette foil, though simple, will play a big role. Watch closely as we use it. After attaching the cigarette foil, we cover everything with tape to keep it secure and connected. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more DIY tips. Afterward, we will recheck if it can turn on properly. Look, the light is on perfectly. But due to the loose insulation, I will tighten it again. The final step is to carefully close the light cover. Who would have thought that a simple cigarette foil could work this magic? So, next time you find a broken LED light, remember this simple trick. Keep your cigarette foil handy, because you might need it to save your light again.